school starting, we began our consultation on dress and grooming in our schools because I knew that it was going to be a very important topic when school starts back in the face-to-face mode. The policy of the ministry is an overarching one. It does not prescribe the details for our schools. The policy of the school should be written. It should be arrived at through a consultative process. The policy should recognize cultural differences, religious differences, and so on, but it must be applied fairly across all students. It is not our intention to prescribe the length of a girl's uniform or the length of a boy's pants or the size of it. We leave those decisions to our boards in our schools, and each of our schools has a board,